Okay, okay. Whose hand? Whose hand are you doing? Are you doing Mia's hand? Just spit it on there, spit it on there. Don't use the tube.
Yeah, don't use the tube to spit.
We probably made that work.
I think they would have done it dry.
Okay, get more, and then
If they
try
could have
it,
wet
yeah.
around the hand first and then blown it dry on.
Let me take it back up there. Yeah, why don't you just spit it?
Owen,
Like blow it out.
you get that. If I
Not
give
working.
if I give you some liquid, keep
Okay, give me
filming.
some water.
Right, okay, water.
Put water in the mouth so then...
Yeah, that's right. She's right.
Get a lot.
Get a lot.
A lot?
I would do a lot.
Yeah.
Now.
That's good. No more.
Yeah, it's probably nice.
You go away.
Actually, okay, drink water and then get more. More. Get a lot. More than that, a lot. More. Come on. You just add a lot of water in your mouth as well. So you mentally just chucking water.
Just spit.
Okay, this is
Hey, you guys! He needs to wash his mouth out.